All right, some maybe not so great news related to the EV world. Electric truck maker Lordstown Motors, the shares are down. The CEO and CFO resigned.
Oh.
This is amid some criticism and accusations around. This is the accusation. The accusation is that they were claiming to have more orders than they did in order to secure more funding.
Uh-huh.
And then in reality, that action wasn't really there. And the company put out a statement saying that it had substantial doubt about its ability to continue as a going concern in the next year. Oh, boy. It ain't easy out here in the EV space. It's not a breeze. We were talking about crypto and Tesla and how Tesla had to be selling those environmental credits and making Bitcoin moves to turn a profit. It's like these companies that tried to figure out a profit, like automotive, even the traditional ones that were already there, even they struggled at times to turn a. It's such a big behemoth thing. You're moving giant metal.
Finding processes.
Giant metal, Will.
Yeah.
I want you to think about giant metals. My new channel, youtube.com/giant metal. You know what I do? I take the metal and I
polish.
I take the old metal and make it new again. Have you seen these channels, Will?
Yeah.
You take the old metal, you make it new again.
Uh-huh.
I watched a guy.
Restoration.
They sent him, and the fans send in the things. They find like an old rusty thing.
Yes.
And then they send it in.
Great content.
And then the guy drops it in the electrolysis, and all the rust, the junk is coming off. And then he's got the captions, and he goes, "Ooh, gonna need one more night in electrolysis."
Is that his tagline?
Well, it was just, I don't know if it's a tagline, but it came up in a text there. And so he drops it back in, and then it's a number of different processes. But it gets back to metal's incredible. Metal really hangs in there.
Uh-huh.
But anyway, restoration content, I don't need to tell you.
I'm a big fan.
Well, maybe the people who didn't see it yet. But I'd be surprised because a lot of this stuff has about 1 billion views on it. So people love the restoration content.
Yeah.
Big metal.
It's a good time.
Oh, yeah, you like the Hot Wheels. I forgot which one you liked. You like the Hot Wheels restoration.
Yeah. And also just generally metal work is nice.
Well, there's the other guy that was doing it out of wood. Remember the guy that was building those elaborate things out of wood? Cars? He was doing model cars, but as a woodworking thing. And we were like, we were blown away. And then you could buy it at the end.
Yeah, working condition.
It's like 50 hours of work into the thing and
a lot of chiseling.
Anyway, Lordstown was putting in the work apparently, but maybe they didn't have all those orders or who knows whatever else. But there's an active investigation going on, and the CEO and CFO bounced. They put an interim in right now. So the stock slides. It was down 18% this morning. And now the whole thing is in question. This short seller, Hindenburg Research, accused Lordstown in March of using fake orders to raise capital. I mean, that's not a good look, obviously. I don't know what's going on behind the scenes, but I love players in the automotive space. I love selection. It's one of the things I like about cars. Cars still seem to have maybe a little bit of personality. You know what I mean? Because I do so much with like smartphones and stuff, and some smartphones have personality, but it's few and far between. It's a lot of the same kind of look and feel going on. 2021. It's like well figured out. Okay, this is what a thing has to look like. But I like that the Cybertruck exists and it's Banana Town. I like that the F-150, the Lightning, Ford Lightning, did they even say F? I like that exists.
And it looks completely different.
I like that the Rivian looks different over here. And then the Lordstown, they took some risks on the appearance. So I like these things. So I want to root for them. But I just, you hope you can get it. You hope they can get it fixed up and sorted out. I hope everybody can fix everything. Bunch of humans,
Yeah.